Nelson Mandela once fought for a South Africa where every human being would be treated with dignity, no matter their tribe, nationality, or background. He spent 27 years in prison because he believed freedom and equality belonged to everyone. But today, many Africans still face hatred.
We're tired of being beaten every day. We're all Africa. Why must we be afraid to go to South Africa? Which South Africa has ever been beaten in Zambia? Which one? We want the ambassador to address us. We are tired. Enough!
Discrimination and violence in South Africa from fellow Africans. Shops are destroyed, innocent people are attacked, and fear spreads across communities. It's painful because the same continent that once stood together against apartheid is now divided against itself. Mandela believed Africa's strength was in unity, not division. He dreamed of a nation that welcomed others instead of rejecting them. If Mandela could forgive the people who imprisoned him for decades, then Africans should be able to live together in peace. History already showed us what hatred can do. Apartheid separated people by race. Xenophobia now separates Africans from Africans. Different problem, same pain. Nelson Mandela's story reminds us that real strength is not violence, revenge, or intimidation. Real strength is humanity, unity, and respect for one another.
I will continue to entertain the hope that there has emerged a cadre of leaders in my own country and region, on my continent, and in the world, which will not allow that any should be denied their freedom, as we were, that any should be turned into refugees, as we were, that any should be condemned to go hungry, as we were, that any should be stripped of their human dignity, as we were.